Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today I'm going to show you how to apply external waterproofing coating on these concrete roof tiles. Let's do it. This is a piece of used concrete roof tile, still in acceptable condition with partial color fading over here and also here. Can you see the hairline crack over here? And the residue of algae and fungus infestation. Surface preparation. Make sure that the application surface is clean, free from any dirt or contaminants. For roof tiles, you might need to use a pressure washer. To begin, you need to apply one layer of Pentens T-200H cement modifier as waterproofing primer. Dilute the primer with water. Stir it well. I am using a paintbrush for this application. You may choose using roller or spray equipment. Make sure you apply the waterproofing primer at all exposed area. You might be wondering, should I or should I not dilute the waterproofing primer? In fact, it is recommended to prime it with 3 parts of water with a standard application rate of 0.2 kg per meter square. Of course, once the primer is diluted, easy application, better coverage area, and deep penetration into the surface crack lines and pores. However, you might need to do extra coatings. For waterproofing coating, I'll be using Pentens T-200H UV resistant elastomeric waterproofing coating. For the first coating, I am using a paintbrush. The coverage area for Pentens T-200H is 0.5 kg per meter square. Again, you may dilute it with water. For the second coating, I am using a roller at right angles to the first coating. It is recommended to apply a minimum of 2 coatings. Do you think if it is possible to apply Pentens T-200H on metal roofing? Let's find out. Wow, look at this! My beautiful piece of green roof tile. Do you know that Pentens T-200H has a very good UV resistant value with solar reflectance index SRI more than 86%. For your information, that percentage is even higher than the performance of a cool roof system, which means if I were to paint my concrete roof tiles with Pentens T-200H, this might effectively reduce the heat and temperature of my home. Thank you for watching my video. Other than just waterproofing coating, there are many other usage of Pentens T-200H UV resistant elastomeric waterproofing coating that you may explore. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye!